right, my loves, we are here with West Kiss Hair. I wanted to come through and just kind of like zhuzh her up and show you guys what I'm working with before we even get into this wig. I kind of wanted to give you a preview. So here you go. Eat up, children. Eat up. I'm giving Annie realness. Okay, where is Daddy Warbucks?
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from I'm excited about this one, okay? West Kiss Hair. So West Kiss Hair really came through with with this 13x4 wand curl, okay? Look at this, 20-inch unit. I'm so excited because one, y'all know my black ass love to wand curl some hair. So I'm excited to not have to do the work and we can just throw her on and see what she's working with. So this unit has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 in the back. She has adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. And take a look at this lace. It's looking a little brown to me, which I love, love, love. Take a look at that. I'm already melting my ball cap down. We are cooking with gas today because mother was ready. All right, so I'm just going through. I'm gonna let you guys know this is a 13x4 lace again. I have her in 20 inches. She's currently on the site going for just under $260. I love this. I love this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So this one, they so graciously provided us with lashes, okay? Branded West Kiss, the West Kiss wig bag, which, let me tell y'all something. This right here, this is the real MVP. They sent us 2 scarves, an edge scarf, which we love. Brand them down, West Kiss. We got an edge scarf, okay? And a bonnet. Hello? Because we can't get enough of these things. You black girls, white girls, Asian girls, all the girls. We can't get enough of anything that's satin and it's for our hair, okay? So keep sending it, all right? We love it. So I'm going to just shut my mouth. I done told y'all all I need to tell y'all about the deets initially. And I'm going to get this wig on my mammy tap here, okay? It is no secret that I love to curl hair, especially these wigs. I will put all the heat in them, fry them, dye them, lay them to the side. Now, what I love about this unit is that West Kiss provided us with another alternative where we're able to go on through, lay this wig down, fluff her, zhuzh her, and get on with our day. And that, to me, this makes this like really the working girl unit, like the unit where, you know what, I'm pressed for time, I'm already late, I done told them that I'm around the corner and I'm still being my face, and I got to throw our wig on. This is the one for you. But guess what you do? You run your fingers through her and you get on, okay? You get on the road and get to where you got to go. I actually really, really enjoyed this unit. Like, this is one of my faves, primarily because she's pre-styled. Okay, I really do take time to like wand curl my hair, straighten my hair, everything like that. And I think that having this unit in my repertoire is really, really helpful for my day-to-day, because then I don't have to, I can still get those fantastic looks, those fantastic vibes without the hassle of having to actually do my hair. So I'm going to shut my mammy tap mouth, okay? We're going to lay the spritz to the side for the day, and we're going to get into this mammy tap unit. This unit from West Kiss is absolutely positively beautiful. Now, I was worried when I initially pulled out the curls that they were getting like a little too frizzy, but it's something about like kind of like hand like rolling it that they kind of bounce right on back to where they were originally, and for that mother is grateful. So this unit is really, really, really beautiful. I love the lace, I love the hair. I'm really, really impressed with this, and I have this in 20 inches. So when you order this, you got to be conscious of how curly it is. Okay, so pulled out, it comes right underneath my bosom. But other than that, she's curled up. Mother is wand curl, and I'm kind of into it though. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like a what are these called, yo? Flexi rise set, which I guess that was the look they were going for all along. Hilarious. But I'm into her. You could put her anyway. I just so happen to have her in on the side, but she also, she gives love, sex, and magic in the middle. Okay, so you guys get all the looks, all the looksies, and I'm into it though. Like, I'm really, really into this one, and she was kind of really easy to do. Honestly, you don't really have to do anything to her. I added a little bit of heat, but that wasn't even necessary if we keeping it 100. You know what I mean? It really, really wasn't. So let me turn around. Look at this. She's lightweight. She does shed a bit, but she cute as hell. So we're gonna give her love, sex, and we're gonna give mama the benefit of the doubt. We're gonna give her the benefit of the doubt. But other than that, I'm really into this. What do you guys think? Do you think she's a vibe? Would you try her out? What are your thoughts, guys? She's really inexpensive though too, because West Kiss is a really reputable brand. I don't know if you guys have really tried them out before, but they always come with the come through. And because of that, I'm going to make sure that I leave all the details below, including a coupon code. So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this wonderful channel. We're only going to grow as much as you guys want us to. And I hope to see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.